All right, hello students. Mr. Alexander here. This video is about how to use the concept builder and especially how to use the help function. So when you click on the link, it'll take you here. To make it bigger, you'll click on this button, make it larger. You'll have to put your name in first. I already did that. And we're going to do words and graphs and then speed rankings. We're not going to do dots and graphs yet. So click here, click start, and you get something like this. So the question that you would write down is, during which stages does the object have a changing velocity? And let's say you had no idea how to do this. Oh, by the way, you'd write down number 2. This is number 2. You draw it. During which stages? That's the question. And then your answers is some number of these. So click the help me button if you're not sure. Excuse me. There we go. And so one thing that's kind of odd is you always have to click this little plus to see an example of the question. But it talks about the basic idea. So a position graph, what a position time graph does. It gives you information about the speed of an object. Constant velocity is constant slope. Changing velocity is changing slope. So let's think of changing slope as something where the slope is not the same anymore. So, so looking here, where do you see the slope changing? Well, it tells you how to think about this. You have to identify where the velocity is changing. So you can use the idea that a line with changing slope represents an object with changing velocity. Changing slope is opposite of constant. Constant is straight, so changing is not straight. It could be curved, like that. Or sometimes we'll see where there's a line that is straight, and then there's a line that is straight but in a different direction. And so wherever there's that change, that's where the velocity changed. So here, what would the answers be? Hopefully you chose B and D. So to wrap things up, I'd come back here. You gotta make this big again. And B and D are my answers. And I have to choose both. And add away.